Very candidly and sincerely, ma'am. We really do not know, and I think this is intentional on the part of Bato to keep and safeguard his loved ones.
Okay. So even his family, hindi po alam kung nasaan si sir?
Ayun, hindi ko po alam. That is
okay.
something that is an internal family matter.
Pero when was the last time, sir, na nakausap niyo po si Sen?
Yun po, about an hour before he left. Magkasama pa kami siguro mo 1 a.m. or something like that.
Opo.
No?
Opo.
And nag-uusap pa kami ng legal remedies, nagdasal pa kami ng Holy Spirit. So, wala po kaming ka-edi-edi no, that he had plans to do that, or maybe it was spur of the moment.
Walang na-mention sa inyo na aalis?
No, not at
Oo.
all.
Sir, kasama ba niya si Sen Robin nung umalis?
I think that has been proven by the records, no? I think the details are still vague, pero wala naman yatang nagdi-deny na sila yung dalawa.
As Senator Bato's lawyer, can you assure na hindi siya aalis ng bansa?
Of course, I cannot assure anything. I did not even know he was coming here. I did not even know he was going because he's a military strategist. No? So I don't want to promise anything I cannot guarantee. But I think the past 6 months have proven that he did not do that. No?